120 fixed head coupe carpet set. There's very little carpet in the 120s. The Roadster drop head and fixed head will have different details. One of the details in the fixed head are the heel pads that are leather shaped, not exactly square. As you see, this side runs off. Cross stitch is original. You can see how beautifully our sewers nail that cross stitch line and how perfectly sewn they are. Of course, bound as original. And this is 100% Wilton wool carpet that we use, 13 colors, made in the UK. 6mm pure wool pile, rubber backed, exactly as original. The toe kickboard carpets at the front, and has the computer puts this chalk line as a guide for where the dip switch is. Of course, this hasn't been brushed down for final shipping, but and then it has the shift boot sewn in, leather bound as original. The rest of the kit, the panels and many of the other aspects are things that the home restorer can take care of. Headline is a little tricky. Again, you might want to shop to do that, but the carpet set and other things fit in the door panels, bead posts and stuff, all just a mechanical function, quite straightforward. Again, we offer unlimited tech support. We want our interior kit to look at its very best, so none of our kits, nor our competitors for that matter, come with instructions. We need a book this thick on every car, and it's impossible. But we have unlimited tech support. You ask us a question and we will answer it, and have our kits looking at their best. The underfelt set is included. There is very little underfelt used in the 120s and 140s. For instance, the main mats on the floor didn't have underfelt in. I believe it's gearbox and toe boards from memory. But there we have it. That's the carpet set for the 120s. And again, you can see how beautifully sewn this is. Oh, one thing, moquette for the petrol filler or gas filler in the trunk. No 120 ever came with them, in spite of many books out there that show that in the books. It is not correct for the 120s. They were painted, and therefore we do not supply that moquette in our interior kit. So what we're trying to do is make everything exactly as original, how the car came from the factory. And I think you can see in the detail of this video that we've achieved that.